Click here to install the plugin. Search the Email OTP Authenticator or use the keyword as Email OTP only. Install this plugin. Activate it. Click here to open the settings or go through Dashboard menu. The notifications will guide you to complete the initial setup. Follow the easy steps. Activate the email panel. Before validating the email, save the settings. Use any setting or plugin to set up your WordPress email SMTP. Make sure that your email address can send emails successfully. Put the email address to send emails. Then validate the email to activate it. The initial setup is complete here. Now integrate the action through menu or shortcode. Follow these steps to create the menu. Create a login menu. Activate the CSS classes. Always use this CSS class to create the button or link. Put the CSS class here. Save the menu. Login cannot be performed when you are already logged in. Log out and open the pop-up to log in. As you can see, the login service is not activated. Set up the login panel for operations. Save the changes. Now put any registered member's email ID, send the OTP, put the received OTP to verify. After successful OTP verification, the user will be logged in and redirected to the address you have provided in the panel.